Hi, Dr. Mike Reed, CEO of Chiropractic Masters International. I have an offer for you, and that's the Ultimate Orthotic Workshop. So if you're in practice and you're thinking about selling orthotics, or if you're currently struggling to sell more orthotics, what I've done is I've taken all my years of selling orthotics and doing workshops and put it under one convenient Ultimate Orthotic package. Now, in this package, I share with you all the PowerPoints, the cheat sheets, the flyers that you need to promote a workshop and how to sell them in practice. Now, I've been doing this for years. I believe in the importance of orthotics. I mean, I have them in all of my dress shoes. It makes a world of difference in my body. You and I know it's going to make the world of difference for your patients. So if you're looking to elevate and sell more orthotics, 25 plus per month, if you're looking at how to do it in practice and how to present this and how to deliver powerful workshop presentations, you'll want to click on the link below. You'll gain instant access to the world's ultimate orthotic workshop, and you'll be able to start delivering not only the product in your practice, but workshops in your practice as well. So go ahead, click the link below, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.